What's going on, guys? In this video I will teach you how to install Office 2019 on Windows 11 and activate it. So let's get started. I've already downloaded this application on my computer and I'm going to unzip it to install it. So before of that, to mention, you have to disable any kind of antivirus you are using in your computer. So mine is Windows Defender and I have to disable that for a few minutes. You can download this application from any website you are interested, but I will provide a link to be in the description that you can download it. So I will do it again. I will unzip the image file. I will mount that. See, I will select Microsoft Office 2019 64-bit, and you can customize which kind of programs you like to be installed. So I just selected the default programs, and now we have to speed up the video because it may take a few minutes. Recently I installed Windows 11 on my computer and I am very satisfied with that. It's something really exciting to use that. If you are not using, you have to try it. There are some big changes, especially on my software. So it installed. So I will share the application which I am going to activate Microsoft Office by that in the description link, but before that you have to disable antivirus. In this application you see there are two options: Windows activation and Office activation. So we need to activate our Office right now, but if you need to activate your Windows, you can click on the first option to activate your Office. It may take a few minutes to be completed, but you have to wait. After a few minutes you will receive a notification that or message that your Office or your application is successfully activated. I have to pause the video. Let's be patient. Office 2019. Thank you for watching, and if you are facing with any troubles or is there anything to ask me, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer that. I will help you.